Let me show you how to put image inside the text using the clipping mask and make it look attractive. Go to File and create a new document. Click the color box and choose the white color. Just copy these settings below it. Go to the Layer panel. Right-click on the background layer and choose the Convert to Smart Object. Click the FX icon and choose the Gradient Overlay. Click to edit the gradient. Open the Basics preset folder and choose the black and white. Double-click left color stop slider. In the color picker, type in 6E, 6E, 6E. Just copy these settings. When you're done, click OK. Select the horizontal type tool. Go to window and choose the character. Click the text color box. In the color picker, choose black color. Just copy these settings. Close the character and click on your document and type out your text. Select the Move tool and position the text in the center. Go to File and choose the Place Embedded. And place the model. Go to the Layer panel. Right-click on the model layer and choose the Create Clipping Mask. Press Ctrl-T to select the Free Transform tool. Click and drag handles to resize and position the model inside the text. Hit Enter or return once you're satisfied. Go to the Layer panel. Select the text layer. Click the FX icon and choose the blending options. Select the stroke. Click the stroke color box and choose the black color. Just copy these settings. Select Drop Shadow. Click the shadow color picker and choose the black color. Just copy these settings. When you're done, click OK. Press Ctrl-J to duplicate text layer. Right-click and choose the rasterize type. Then hide the original text layer just for backup. Select the Brush tool. Click to open the brush picker. Click the gear icon and choose the Import Brushes. Then load the splatter brushes. Open the splatter brush folder and choose from the two the one that you like. And the opacity 100%, flow 100%. Press left and right square bracket key to resize your brush quickly. Then little click here like this. Click to open the brush picker and change the brush. And just follow these process. Select the model layer. Click on the adjustment layer icon and choose the levels. Click on the clip to layer icon. Adjust the midtone input level to 1.28. Go back to adjustment layer icon and choose color lookup. Open the 3DLUT file and choose the crisp winter look. And decrease the opacity to 11%. And that's it. Hope you liked it.